Morning, Ben. How did you sleep last night?
Yeah, great. We slept in a really nice hotel.
What are you up to today?
We are going up into the hills to see the conservation of mountain gorillas.
Brilliant.
I'm a gorilla now.
Over there, Alex, look. If you look just right over there, a family of gorillas has just walked past, according to Mr. Seeley.
We've just had a very nice educational session from Diane Fossey, learning all about her, and now we're having this amazing food. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. I can hear you guys.